Here we have the Milano Elchim Classic 2001 Blow Dryer. This is a professional level Salon ceramic hair dryer. The concentrator is included and aids in fast drying. Quiet and lightweight with multiple color selection. The special features of this hair dryer is its Italian professional AC motor with a duration life over 2,000 hours. Developed and manufactured in Italy. Built to last long and create perfect styling. The powerful AC motor is designed for heavy use in professional beauty salons. Include a high-performing heating element which reaches 1.875 watts. This means less energy consumption and time spent exposing your hair to heat. This classic and award-winning hair dryer is used for many decades by generations of hairstylists. The Elchim 2001 has been winning US and international awards for over 40 years. If this is good enough for the pros, then it should be awesome for you.